In this video we shall be talking about how to find the inverse of an element and in binary operation. And this question says the binary operation is defined by A operation B is equals to A plus B plus 1 for any real numbers A and B. So find the inverse of the real number 7 under the operation if the identity element is -1. And the first thing we need to do here is state our binary law, which states that A operation, its inverse, is equals to its identity element E. So you can see A inverse A to the power -1 is equals to inverse of A, and E is equals to its identity element. So what this binary law simply means is that when we operate an element with its inverse, is going to give its identity element. So let's give an example of this. For example, we say 5 times 5 inverse, which is also 1 over 5. We are going to get 1 as our answer, which is E. So E is the identity element, which is now equals to 1. So when we say 5 times 1, we are going to get 5. Simply means that our calculation is correct about E and about its inverse. In case if you want to know more about identity element, you can check on our previous video and know more about the identity element. So let's continue. Says from the operation given, that's operation given from the question, says that A operation B is equals to A plus B plus 1. And all we need to do now is take the left hand side of our binary law equation and operate it according to the operation given from the question. So all we need to do is now say A plus A inverse plus 1. We simply replaced B with A inverse. Then this expression, now we are going to label it as our equation 2. And as you can see, the left hand side of equation 2 and the left hand side of equation 1 are equal. So what we need to do now is equate both sides. And when we do that, we get that E from our equation 1 is equals to A plus A inverse plus 1 from our equation 2, given that E is -1, that is our identity element is -1, and A is equals to 7. That means we are looking for the inverse of 7, as you can see from the question. So when we replace those two values into our equation and we solve for 7 inverse, we get 7 inverse to be -9. And as you can see, that is option B. And thank you guys for watching.